If you want to find out how to remove and replace your engine air filter on a Jeep Renegade, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video we're going to be removing and replacing the engine air filter on this 2015 Jeep Renegade. So it's a really simple job to do, and all you're going to need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So this is actually the version with the 1.4 litre petrol turbo engine, but the process will be very similar to the other engines as well. So for those of you who don't know how to open up your bonnet, you just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, you're just going to put your hand in just below the Jeep badge and push this yellow lever to the left. Now you notice my version's actually got these 2 bonnet struts on. That was an upgrade that I did on another video. So what a lot of you would do would just take this bonnet stay and pop it into that hole there. So if you come closer, I'm just going to show you where we put our Phillips screwdriver. So there's 3 screws to take the airbox lid off. So there's one here, and the screws are captive. There's one here, and there's one just over the back here next to the brake reservoir as well. So once you've undone those 3, you can just twist the lid. Now it does take a little bit of manoeuvring to get it off, and you can lift that back, and then you can actually see that exposes our air filter. Now it's a bit difficult on these cars because the gasket fits quite tightly around, so I might have to just get both hands in there whilst lifting the lid off. So there we go, that's off. So like I say, that seal there just wraps around in there, and this has been replaced actually about 3,000–4,000 kilometers ago, so it does look quite dirty, but it's relatively new. I might still go ahead and replace that at some point in the future. Now when you're cleaning or replacing your filter, you can actually just vacuum clean these to give them a little bit more life. But the other thing you need to do is make sure there's no leaves or debris just in the bottom of the box as well. And then of course, once we've got our new filter, or you've cleaned your old filter, you just drop that back in with the same orientation, and you can see the indent there. I'm going to pop that in, making sure it seals all the way around. Then we just manoeuvre our airbox lid back into position, and of course tighten up the 3 screws. So there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the engine air filter on a 2015 Jeep Renegade. Now like I say, it is very similar for most of the engine models, and it is definitely the same for all years of the car with this engine. So if you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.